Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to add your website on Twitter profile. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To add your website on Twitter profile, browse x.com and click on profile option on left pane. Then click on edit profile. Now scroll down. Here you will find an option website. Just type here your website. I'm going to add this website to my Twitter profile. Now click on save and look, the website is added in my Twitter profile. This is the easiest way to add your website on Twitter profile. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.